Welcome to the Coastal Lowcountry Real Estate Channel. Are you looking to move to the Georgia, South Carolina Lowcountry and want to buy a home to use as an AirBNB, VRBO, or short-term vacation rental? Maybe you want to use your new home in the Lowcountry as a part-time getaway, but then generate some extra revenue when you aren't there. If that sounds like you, well, that's just perfect, because today we are going to take a look at an investment property purchased by one of our clients last December that has just recently been renovated and listed as a short-term vacation rental. And if you stay to the end of the video, we will also explore a couple of tools that you can use to help identify where you might want to buy your next investment property and whether or not it will be profitable. We will also give you a link to the property we're previewing today so that you can book it and begin your vacation tomorrow. Welcome to the Georgia, South Carolina Lowcountry. We're Keith and Donna Hellman, hosts of the Coastal Lowcountry Real Estate Channel and Local Realtors with Keller Williams. Do you want to know everything there is to know about living in the Lowcountry? Whether it's Savannah, Georgia, Hilton Head, South Carolina, Bluffton, South Carolina, or the surrounding areas? Well, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so that you'll be the first to know what's going on in our market.
And we receive calls, emails, and texts every day from folks just like you looking to move to Hilton Head, Bluffton, and Savannah areas. And we absolutely love serving you.
So whether you're looking to move in the next week, the next month, or the next year, shoot us a text, send us an email, give us a call, or schedule a Zoom call, all in the description below, so that we can help make your move to the Lowcountry a smooth one. Hey, Let's get started. Welcome back. So today we're going to explore buying a property to use as an Airbnb, VRBO, or short-term vacation rental in the Savannah, Georgia area. Now, Savannah has multiple locations and a lot of homes for sale that can be turned into short-term vacation rentals. But today we're going to check out a home that was purchased by one of our clients on Tulahi Island. Tulahi Island is conveniently located about 12 miles east of Savannah and 12 miles inland west of the ocean and the beach at Tybee Island. So a trip to town or the beach is just a short drive. For more information about Tulahi Island, check out our video, Welcome to the Islands. If you haven't seen it, you should definitely check it out. Anyway, last December, our client purchased an all-brick home on Tulahi Island for $375,000. It is a 3-bed, 2 full baths, 1,600 square foot ranch home built back in 1973, sitting on about 1/4 acre. While it had good bones, the home was dated with wood paneling throughout as well as a small galley kitchen. Separate from the kitchen was the formal living room and dining room. The back of the home had a nice attached screened-in porch with a jacuzzi tub, a nice-sized custom-built wood storage shed, and a fenced-in backyard. The home was also conveniently located near several restaurants and grocery stores. Similar homes in the area that had been renovated and updated sold for about $465,000 to almost $500,000. So our buyer had about a $100,000 cushion to upgrade the home to a crisp new look. Well, over the last 4 months, this quaint little cottage has undergone some renovation. So let's take a look at what was done to get it ready for market. As they say, out with the old and in with the new.
Oh, wow. This is amazing. I can't believe how much different it looks. This was a huge wall. It opened everything up. This was a formal living room and dining room. There was a wall over here and an itty-bitty kitchen. Oh. And now that they've taken the wall out, it is a huge kitchen with this gorgeous counter. Plenty of people can sit right here and hang out and have fun. And they use designer colors that are so popular. Plenty of cabinets. And if you go over here, you have an office space, another big window. This was wood stained paneling. And look how much brighter this is with this off-white paint. It brightened up everything. And all the windows and the sunlight coming in. And they painted the screened-in porch out here, made it much brighter looking, added all the comfortable furniture. The jacuzzi was here, so now let's party. Look how they've renovated the bathroom. Beautiful new tile and tub, gold fixtures.
What a beautiful transformation. Now let's take a look at the numbers. This actually should be done before purchasing your Airbnb. Knowing, for example, how much your home can rent for and estimating any related expenses can help set your property up for success rather than a money pit. And to help, there are a couple of handy little tools that can assist with this analysis, such as AirDNA.com and Rabu.com. These tools can give you an estimate of your annual rental income as well as expenses you might incur. These sites don't take the place of doing your homework, but they can be a good place to start. So taking a look at AirDNA.com, we can see that a home of this size can rent for about $65,000 per year or about $5,500 a month. Of course, there is going to be seasonality where certain months rent for more during peak rental season and less during off-season, but this gives you an idea. AirDNA.com also estimates the home will be rented 62% of the time, or 7 to 8 months. Now let's take a look at the monthly expenses. Typically in today's market, lenders will require 20% down payment on investment property. So under the above scenario, 20% of the purchase price at $375,000 would be $75,000 down, leaving a $300,000 mortgage. An interest rate of 6.5% financed over 30 years would result in a monthly mortgage payment of almost $1,900. Looking at the tax records, taxes last year were approximately $3,600 or $300 a month. Homeowners insurance is expected to be about $250 a month. So your total mortgage payment would be approximately $2,450 a month. So that leaves about $3,000 a month to pay for other expenses like utilities, maintenance, property management company, etc. Property management companies in this area typically charge around 20% to manage the Airbnb, which would equate to about $1,000 a month. So that would mean that under the above set of facts, your new Airbnb would net about $2,000 positive cash flow each month. Of course, this can vary depending on whether the property generates more than the $65,000 for the year through either an increased rental rate or a vacancy rate of less than 4 months per year. Well, we hope you've enjoyed touring a little slice of the Airbnb world, from looking at the numbers and tools that you can use to help make your Airbnb turn a profit, as well as seeing what your imagination can do to transform a dated cottage home into a beautiful rental near the ocean. And if you want to book the property you've just seen in the video, just scan the QR code below and begin your vacation tomorrow. Well, we hope you found this helpful and even learned something new. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest of what's happening in the Georgia, South Carolina Lowcountry, please be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications so that you'll be the first to know about the current market here. And if you're looking to make the Lowcountry a place where you'd like to call home, please give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or book a Zoom call, all in the description below. Again, this is Keith and Donna Hellman, hosts of the Coastal Lowcountry Real Estate Channel and Local Realtors. And as always, it has been an absolute pleasure spending time with you again today.